Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to join Soul's RNG Discord server. If this helps you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your browser and go on this website, Rollymon's Roblox trading website. Now, go on the search bar, uh, click on games, and type here in the search bar Soul's RNG. Okay, go with this one. Click on play on Roblox. Scroll down and under social links you can see this Discord icon. This is a Discord server. Just click on it, and as you can see, I've been invited to join this server. Just click on accept as and you will join this server. But if you can't join the server through this link, just go on the browser again and copy this link. Go again on Discord. Now go on the left side, click on add a server, click on join a server and paste the link over here and just click on join server. Confirm it. Wait a moment, and that's it. As you can see, that's how you can join the server. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.